Hello Adriana, this is Andrew with Glendora Chevrolet. I just wanted to shoot you a real quick video on the Silverado 2014 that you're interested in. This vehicle only has about 71,000 miles on it. We are located here at 1959 Auto Center Drive in the beautiful city of Glendora, California. The zip code here is 91740. The phone number here is 909-394-9899. Once again, it's 909-394-9899. My name is Andrew Robles. Go ahead and call me and schedule a complimentary test drive. Hope to hear from you soon.